for the 4 teenagers accused of a horrific and deadly carjacking in New Orleans will stay at $1 million.
Well, that was a big part of a court hearing today, which also gave insight into what roles these teenagers allegedly played in that crime. Mike McDaniel joining us live now from Orleans Parish Criminal Court with these new details. And Mike, reaction from the family.
Yeah, there were several requests from attorneys today. One to reduce those bonds that you mentioned, and another to throw out some evidence. The judge denied them, saying this is one of the most serious crimes before the court.
We're united in our justice.
Wearing matching purple bracelets, family members of 73-year-old Linda Frickey walked out of court Friday relieved.
If I could have jumped up for joy, I would have.
That joy comes after a judge denied requests to reduce the $1 million bonds for the 4 teens accused of killing Frickey during a violent carjacking back in March.
They do not need to be free. They made the choice. Again, the choice. It's all about choice.
Based off surveillance video, court testimony from the lead homicide detective indicated 17-year-old John Honore as the one who forced Frickey out of her SUV and drove off with her still tangled in the seatbelt, dragging her for just more than a block. The detective said 15-year-old Lenira Theophil appeared to push or hit Frickey before getting into the front passenger seat. 15-year-old Markel Curtis acted as the lookout, and 16-year-old Brenia Baker jumped in the SUV as it sped away.
There is film with them doing it, and I'm still very emotional when I start talking about it. This was my sister. She got killed. She is gone. We'll never see her again.
And that's creating a harsh reality.
Just the beginning of the year, we facing all those first. We did the first Mother's Day without Linda.
Frickey's sister-in-law, Kathy Richard, says she hopes keeping bonds at $1 million will send a message to kids who want to commit crimes and stop what she calls a revolving door in juvenile justice.
When you do something wrong, try to think it through. There's consequences for everything. Yeah, they are young, but they're old enough to know right from wrong. They knew they were wrong.
Family members of the teenagers were also in court, but didn't want to comment about the case.
All 4 teenagers pleaded not guilty to second-degree murder. If convicted, they face life in prison with the possibility of parole after about 25 years. Trial is now set for early April. Reporting live from the Orleans Parish Courthouse, Mike McDaniel, Eyewitness News. Ladies.